Assalamu alaikum dear students. The subject is Advanced Theory and Computation. This is lecture 2 of week 2. In today's agendas of the class, we have what is clean star closure. Then we have some basic example how we can implement the clean star closure. Then we have the plus operation. What is plus operation and what is the difference between plus operation and the clean star operation or closures? Dear student, what is clean star closure? Clean star closure is the infinite set of all possible string of all possible length including empty elements or empty attributes of these sets, which is denoted by sigma symbol the power e. Okay, so what does this mean? For example, we have a set of or language or string of a in b. So from this a in b we can define infinite set of all possible strings, like we can say ab, aa, bb, right? And in the third step we can say like aaa three times. Okay, in the other step like we can say 4 times a. In the next step we can say 5 times a. So we can define infinite set of all string under some condition. Okay, then we have some basic rules or some basic elements why we use clean star. The clean star, which is very helpful in the designing and building of automata or Turing machines, right? Which is involves some basic mathematical symbols. It also contains a set of string that can be created by concatenating element of base string. What is concatenating? Like for example, we have a set of A in B. So whenever we combine and make combination of A and B, this is called concatenation. Okay. Whenever we make some uh, possible set of string, so this is called concatenation. In other words, each individual elements of the input string must be present. What does this mean? It means, for example, we have a set of A and B. So this A and B must be present over there. How it can be represented? It can be represented in any way or in any extent or in any infinite number of sets. Okay, so this is about the clean star closure. I mean, concluding remarks, we can use or we can repeat the set of A in B in any form. It depends on the application of procedure or requirement. Okay, we have some very basic example of clean star, how we can show or how we can extend the word. Like for example, we have a word or string that is the cat. So if we apply the clean star, so we can represent the cat word with very different direction, with different combination. Like we can also design CCAT, one of the possible solution for the word cat. Another solution we have double C A double T. Okay. The third type of solution we have triple C A and T. In the last solution, which is an optional one, we have that is double C double A and 3 times T. So this is why we use the clean star. So we can represent the set of string in any format or any form. Okay. So this is the clean star. What is the application or where we can implement the clean star? Okay, the clean star we can use in big data, right? So in big data, we have usually implementing using the Internet of Thing. Internet of Thing we have like monitoring of patients, right? So the different patients have different types of data. Okay, some have ECG, some have temperature, some have lung disease. So we have different kind of data. Okay, so this is for smart, this is for home patients based monitoring system. Then we have smart automation system. Like we have in a home, we have different kind of home appliances like the fan, air condition, refrigerator, and anything of device like the mobile device, laptop device. So all of these devices producing some data. Okay, so these devices have been connected with some Wi-Fi and some sensor, so which make the IoT. Okay, whenever we collect these data and store in one server or in one computer, which is called big data, because we are receiving and we're collecting data from different environment, right? And we are storing in one place. So after storing this data, we can use for different purposes. Like for example, we have collected some images from public places, so we want to identify a person from that picture, right? So this is one of the concept of the clean star. So we can define the rule. For example, how should be the nose of that person, how should be the eye size of that person. So we have different picture have with different attributes, right? So we can use the clean star over there. We have different applications. This is one of the basic, for example. Further, we have a symbol sigma. This is sigma symbol, right? Okay. The clean star of the alphabet, we have the sigma symbol, okay, which is denoted by sigma the power steric. The steric mean we have also including empty string or yes, okay. So this is why whenever we talking about the steric using the clean star, so we must include the empty string. This is one of the example for the clean star as well. Okay, from here we are looking for some example. Like for example, we have a language or string which is denoted by sigma of steric. Okay, so how we can extend using the clean star. Okay, so the clean star, as I said before, so we must include with empty string. So here the empty string has been represented with the power 0. Okay, the power 0 or the empty string both have same meaning. Okay, then okay, the power 0, sigma the power 1, sigma the power 2, and sigma the power 3. Okay, in the middle we have the U symbol, which is mean the concatenation, mean combining. Okay, so this is the concatenation symbol. If we do not interested to put the concatenation symbol like the U, so it's not necessary. Okay, we have another example. Like for example, we have string in the set which is X. Okay, if we apply the clean star with the steric, so we must include the empty set X, 2 times X, 3 times X, 4 times X, and so on. Okay, so we can design the tuning machine or automata system with infinite number of string from the given input string. Okay, so this is the example of the clean star. We have another example from the set of sigma, which is contain 0 and 1. How we can design infinite number of string from the given input string from this example. Okay, so if we are implementing using the steric, so we have to put the empty symbol, this symbol or this symbol, both are the same. So it depends whether you want to use the this symbol or this symbol, so both are the same. Okay, so here we put the acceleration symbol. Okay, so after that we have to put the original 0, then we have original 1, then we have the concatenation. Okay, so if we see over here we have 0, so we should repeat 2 times, because this is the first step after the original placement of the data set. Okay, so in the first placement we can use 2 times 0. Why 0? Because here in the set first we have the 0 element. Okay, so this is 0. After that, then you have to replace with 1 from the right side. Okay, then you have to 1 0 and 1 1. For this we have some basic concept which is coming from truth table. Okay, so from truth table, like we have 2 input symbol, 3 input symbol, and 4 input symbol. So how we can change in the 2 input symbol and 3 input symbol, and where we can change. We have very basic example over here. If we see, this is A and B. A and B are the input and Q is the output. So we will not looking here for the output from q or from q decision. Okay, so we will see from a and b. If you see this is 0 0, okay, this is 0 1, so it means here we have one chain. Okay, after third place we have one chain on the left side. Okay, and where we have no chain on the right side. Take right. So this is the way how we can use this two types of combination, placing the pairing. So we can using the same basic principle of this truth table. Okay, same we can also use for three pairs. Okay, like here 0 0. Okay, from right side we have one placement or one change. Okay, from here from third one we have again one change, and so on. Like here we have zeros 3 times 0. After here we have one change from the right side. Here if you can see we have one change from the right side, and so on. This is the very basic principle how we can design such automata machine or design automata system using the clean star. So remember these basic principle of truth table for 2 input and truth table for 3 input, how we can change and where we and how we can change and where we can change. So you may follow these rules, okay, for designing whenever the clean star with all possible infinite number of combinations. We have another example, 0 1. Okay, we are implementing our static. So again static also means with we have empty string. This is empty string 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. How it has been changed, like first we have to place 2 2 pairs, then we have 3 3 pairs and 4 4 pairs. Accordingly we should go to an increment form. Okay, so here we have 0 0 white zeros because in the set we have first 0. This is 0 0. Okay, according to a truth table rule, so we have to change from the right side. So here 1 y1 it's defined in the set. So here we have 0 1 and 1 0 and 1 1 and so on. We have another example for the clean star set which contain a b comma c. Okay, so how to make them in concatenation, right? So we can say like empty the original set a b and c. Then we have the original repetition again a b, right? Then we have a b c, right? Then we have c a b and comma c c. So the same rule over here which we have used, so the same steps in rule we should implement over here to define the all possible string for clean star. Okay, so we have the same things here. We important thing which I already discussed at the early of this lecture. Okay, the language generated by clean star closure, which is a set of string, have infinite languages, infinite combination, right? Which I said over here, like you can see infinite number, and infinite number. So this is the concept of the example. Okay, by infinite language, it is supported that the language contain infinite many words, each of finite length. What does it mean? Infinite language and each of finite length. Like we can define infinite combination of the string, but it should become from the that language which is called finite length. Okay. Okay, this is very important. What is the difference between the plus operation, right, and the static operation? Very basic difference, right? In the plus operation, we do not use the null string or empty string, right? But for static operation, we use null operation or null string. Okay, this is very the basic definition and differences. Like we have example, we have a set of 0 and 1. If we implement on the plus operation, okay, then the plus operation we do not have the empty string, right? So the rest of the rules for defining a string of all set have the same which has been discussed in the static operation. Okay, so we have 0 1, okay, then 0 0 0 1 and so on. We have to keep in mind the rules for of truth table for designing the clean star for static and for plus operation. Then we have another example for plus operation. We have A, B, the second item of the set we have C. Okay, so we have A, B, comma C. Then we have the repetition of the same set of the element of the set, which is defined in the truth table of two inputs. Okay, so we have this one again, AAB one time, AAB, this is the second time, so it's the repetition. Okay, then we have to change from the right side. Okay, so we have removed this one from set from the third one, from the second one. Okay, so we have here AAB and C. Okay, and so on. So we have to keep the same rules in mind, which is implemented in the truth table for 2th input and 3rd input. Okay, we have some important points. It is to be noted that the clean star can also be operated on any string. Okay, it could be implemented on any kind of input value. Like we have example of a static can be considered to be all possible string define our language of or set of A, which show that A asterisk can generate empty set A 1 time, 2 times A, 3 times A, 4 times A, 5 times A, and so on. The same thing we have the same example with the plus operation. Okay, so for the plus operation we have the same rule of extending the clean star without using the empty string or null string. Okay, I hope you have understand this language. Okay, see you in the next week. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.